Hello and welcome to Zoho CRM. My name is Jason from the BluRoot team, and today I'm going to walk you through how we can schedule reports. The report scheduler in CRM is really handy for any report that you want to run on a regular basis and have it show up directly in your email. We can take any of our CRM reports and send them out this way. Some common examples are if your team has to report to a board of directors, you may send the report on a regular basis. Additionally, things like tracking sales, lead conversion, marketing efforts are all frequently scheduled reports. Or we can do something a little more tactical. And in today's video, what I'll do is I have a report that records my daily calls and tells me which ones I have to make. And I'm going to schedule that so that I receive it every morning. And I'll use that list to dictate which calls I make throughout the day. To do this, I'm going to click on Reports, this module at the top. And you can see, I was just looking at it, so Activity Reports, today's calls is the one that I want to look at. To schedule today's calls, I need to go to Scheduled Reports here on the left and click New Report Scheduler. I'm going to choose that report. Click Choose. And then I can decide if it will be sent to me as a PDF, XLS, or CSV. So we'll use CSV. The start date needs to be in the future. So why don't I get it to send to me tomorrow at 3 a.m. My thinking is that this will be before I'm in the office on any day. And I'm going to repeat that every day. Now I can also choose when this scheduler ends. So for example, maybe I'm only doing this on a temporary basis. So I can set it to end after a certain number of times or on a specific date. For me, I'm just going to have this last forever. Next, I want to select the recipients. So first, we're going to use the system to dictate who it can be sent to. In this case, I'll choose myself. But I can also choose additional recipients outside the system and send them by putting their email addresses here. When everything is all scheduled out the way that I want, I'll just hit Schedule. And now you can see I'll receive this report, all calls for today, daily, and I would also see the last time that the report ran. And that's it. That's how you set up a scheduled report. You can do this for any of the reports that you create in Zoho CRM. And you can set them up for daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly repetition cycles. So give it a try. See if you can make use of report schedulers. And if you have any questions, reach out to the BluRoot team because we love to help with problems like this. Thanks and have a great day.
Thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave any comments in the section below.